welcome back to my channel Musings of Akanksha. I am Akanksha and today we are going to dive into a very sensitive yet a crucial topic, that is talking to our kids about racism and skin color biases. Well, as a mother myself in a realms of parenting and self-care, I know how important this conversation is. The nature of this conversation is always going to be delicate. Whether your child has faced any discrimination or whether you have seen them having bias towards any color of skin, lighter or darker, well, this is the right time to address this issue. Remember, the point is to handle this issue with love and clarity. Understand? So let's discuss how can together we guide our child to be a fairer and a kinder individual. First, it is important to understand what we are actually dealing with. Racism or color biasness is not just about overtly discrimination thing. It is also about little remarks or comments we pass or preferences we make in our day-to-day life, which we may, usually pass off as harmless. Did you know children as young as 3 years of age absorb racial discrimination? And that is why talking about it openly is so important. Well, you may make your child with love understand that although all people might not look same, but they definitely deserve same respect and kindness. Use simple stories or animation that depict diversity positively. Our little ones grab a lot through these stories. They understand a lot through these stories. Okay, so now just role play how you might, navigate the conversation with your child if they mention a skin color in a hurtful way or if they tell you that they've been hurt by someone's words. If Rahul says, I don't want to play with Priya because she looks too dark, don't shy away from this moment. Gently but firmly correct this perception by explaining Priya is a wonderful friend and her skin color is just one beautiful part of who she is. Always lead by example. Show empathy and fairness in your daily interaction because our children are always watching and learning from us. Continuing this conversation at home is very, very important. Surround your kids with books and medias that celebrate diversity. Watch shows with your kids which highlight different races, different cultures, and encourage questions, encourage discussions. Also, be mindful of your own language and behavior. And if you face or hear a discriminatory remark from someone else, handle it clearly and calmly. Stand up against it and show your child that standing up against prejudice is very important. Remember everyone, addressing racism or skin color biases is not a one-day talk. It is a journey, a lifelong journey of education, love and compassion. By taking these steps, you not only prepare your kids to celebrate diversity, but you also prepare them to stand up against injustice if they face any. If you found this video helpful, share it with other parents. This is one conversation every parent should make with their kids. And till then, let's spread compassion, positivity, and have more empowerment. Till then, bye-bye. See you. If you like the video, do not forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Also, do not forget to press the bell icon to get notified every time I post a video and post your comments about how did you like the video. Bye bye, tata, namaste.